Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We continue our discussion on the topic of neoplasia. Students, today we will be discussing differences between benign and malignant cells. Please keep one thing in mind that these are anonymous words. That means they are same. For example, characteristic features of benign cells, characteristic features of malignant cells, differences between benign and malignant cells. Number one, pleomorphism. Pleomorphism means variation in size and shape. Students, benign cells show lesser degree of pleomorphism. It means that cells of the same origin, they resemble each other in terms of size and shape. Whereas on the other hand, the malignant cells, they show a wide range of pleomorphism. That is, they are different from each other in terms of size and shape. They are of different sizes and they are of different shapes. Number two, NC ratio, nuclear cytoplasmic ratio. Students, normally, or we can say the benign cells, they have increased size of cytoplasm as compared to the nucleus. So we can say that nuclear cytoplasmic ratio is 1:4. It means nucleus is smaller and cytoplasm is 4 times larger as compared to the nucleus. Whereas on the other hand, malignant cells show increased size of nucleus. This NC ratio is disturbed, nucleus enlarges, and in most of the cases, the nucleus is equal to the size of the cytoplasm. Number third point of identification is, or number third point of difference is differentiation. Students, different cells adopt their different cell function, and this characteristic is called differentiation. Different body tissues have different functions which is allocated to their cells. Benign cells are more differentiated. Benign cells are well differentiated. It means that benign cells are more accurate in their function which has been allotted to them by the nature. Whereas on the other hand, malignant cells, they show poor differentiation. It means that they do not perform the normal functions which is allotted to them according to their location. This, we can say that benign cells are well differentiated and malignant cells are poorly differentiated. This character of differentiation is called anaplasia. We can conclude that benign cells are less anaplastic, whereas malignant cells are more anaplastic. Next is, students, difference point is local invasion. Benign cells, they do not invade locally, or we can say that they do not destroy their neighboring cells. Whereas on the other hand, malignant cells, they continue to destroy their neighboring cells. Surrounding fibrous capsule. Students, benign cells are surrounded by a definite capsule, whereas malignant cells are not surrounded by capsule, rather they proliferate and they destroy the adjacent cells and tissues. Next most important feature is metastasis. Benign cells do not metastasize, whereas malignant cells show metastasis. What is metastasis? Metastasis means that malignant cells are spread to the site which is away from their parent sites. For example, prostate cancer, it is a malignant growth and it is the growth of a prostate gland which is located in the male penis. This prostate cancer metastasizes even in the bones and even in the brain. So this distant spread of malignant cells to distant sites is called metastasis. These were the common differences between benign and malignant cells. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.